Welcome to Osmo International School Winter Workshop. You can see that there are many angels and they are doing the workshop. So hi, say me hi. They are the angel, they are Pari and they are doing the workshop beautifully. Oh wow. Okay, what is your school name? What are you drawing? What are you doing now? Huh? Ma'am? You are drawing flower, no? Rainbow flower. Hi, what is your name? Huh? Nissan Boro. তুমি কি ড্র করিয়েছা প্রিয়া হয়েছে সব ড্রয়িং ওয়াও তোমার সব ড্রয়িং সব ওয়াও ভেরি গুড আজকে তোমার ড্রয়িং সব ওয়াও সব তোমাক তুমি চোৱা এইফালে শুনো হৈছে তোমাৰ চাও wow piano stuff oh wow beautiful Vivan dikhao from very nice and this is the winter workshop for Osmo International School winter day workshop and they all are drawing now. They all are doing the creative work right now. So hi baby, where is your drawing? तुम्हारी drawing कहाँ है? Where is your drawing? Show me, ले लो. Show me. Wow, beautiful.
First, we want to thank our Osmo teachers
nice.
and Osmo family, then our respected parents, then our beautiful childs, because without them it's not possible. This is Osmo Winter Workshop and we are watching from Assam in the school, the first moral women education and the applied education is on the Osmo International School. Now you know the childs are very creative, they are doing creative skills and you can see the video also. When I ask question, then they will reply quickly. So I know that you are enjoying. So please share the video and please subscribe the channel. It is Creative Soul, and this is the video of the Osmo International School Osmosis.
Okori, ami okori.